Welcome to RAGDIMA Waves, Feel the Rhythm, Rule Your Body. In our last episode, we talked about how sticking to your traditional diet is not just safe, it's actually smart. Today we are going one step deeper. How does your body actually evolve based on what your ancestors used to eat? Let me start with an incredible story. Have you heard about Inuit people, traditionally known as Eskimos, living in the Arctic? They have long relied on a diet high in fat from marine mammals like seal and whale. And despite that, studies once showed surprisingly low rate of heart disease among them. Everyone assumed it must be because of the high level of omega-3 fatty acids in their diet. And just like that, omega-3 became a global health trend, marketed as a must-have supplement. But here is the twist. Scientists later discovered that Inuit people have a unique genetic adaptation that helped them process the fat-rich diet. So what works for them might not work for you and me. Their biology evolved to thrive on that food in those extreme conditions. That is the body's incredible way of balancing nutrition. Now let's talk about milk. Did you know most adults can't digest milk? While many people in Europe and South Asia, including Indians, can. It is because our ancestors were dairy farmers. Our bodies still produce lactase, the enzyme that breaks down milk sugar. But in groups like Native Americans and East Asians, lactase production dropped after childhood, leading to bloating or discomfort. It's not a flaw, just a genetic evolution. Let's move to something more local, rice and roti. If your ancestors were farmers, like many in India, China, or Japan, your body may produce more of a digestive enzyme called amylase. Amylase is found in your saliva and breaks down starch. People from farming communities tend to have more copies of the amylase gene, making it easier for them to digest food like rice, wheat, or tubers. Meanwhile, populations that relied more on meat or fish, they often have fewer copies of this gene and starch doesn't sit well with them. So what does this all mean? It means your body remembers what your grandparents and great-grandparents ate, and that shaped your biology. Ayurveda have always taught us this, to choose food based on Desha, that is a geographical location, Kala, that is a climate, and Prakriti, the individual genetic constitution. Science is now confirming what Ayurveda knew centuries ago. Listen to your body, respect your roots. Your genes and your enzymes are whispering the story of your ancestors' plate. If traditional food is the best choice for your health and harmony, then why do many Ayurvedic doctors recommend a vegetarian diet? Let's explore this timeless question next week. Remember to live, eat, and move in rhythm with who you truly are. This is Dr. Divya signing off from RAGDIMA Waves. Namaste.